thank you for tuning in. I'm going to be starting a new mini-series on the Triumph Daytona 675. I have a Gen 1. It's from 2006 to 2008. My specific one is 2007. And the bike is absolutely amazing. I couldn't recommend it enough. I absolutely love everything about it. I'll post more videos on it as I go through everything. But right now, to kick it off, I'm just going to go over, I picked up the used, of course. It's got some drops, it stings. It's my first official bike, so it's okay. I'm going to learn with it, and just let things happen as they do. Of course, I'm not going to try to drop it, but, I'm going to be okay if it does. It's got frame sliders. I'm going to upgrade those, put a little better ones, and ones that haven't been used. I got some common repairs I got to do: oil change, chain maintenance, stator, rectifier, but that has a recall open for it, so that's not that big of a deal. I'm going to do my own custom repairs. I'd like to do R1 style mirrors, update the fairing kit, update the bolts on the fairings, change out the headlights for halos with LEDs, just stuff like that. And I saw on YouTube that there was kind of, not a lack of content, a lack of relevant. Everything that I saw for the Gen 1 was 6, 7, 8 years old. And, sometimes it was kind of tough to find exactly what I was looking for. So here I am in case that, you're thinking of picking it up, or you have picked it up and you don't know what's going on. Hopefully this series will definitely help you. I saw that there was a few on Facebook Marketplace. I went from seeing none, didn't find one, to maybe one every few months. Never saw one on the road. I've only seen one in Massachusetts and Shrewsbury, and that was it. I came across this one, couldn't pass it up, got a great deal. After that, I've seen 4 or 5 on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're in the market to pick up a used one, this will definitely help. Mileage, really, honestly, I don't think mileage matters for a motorcycle. They're about the same for a car. Just keep it well maintained, know what you're getting into, do your research, stuff like that. As I get parts in, I'll be posting videos. Just give me a like, subscribe, let me know what you drive, and any thoughts you have down in the comments.